out of Newark yesterday night, canceled. Rebooked for this morning in Philadelphia, canceled. Rebooked for the middle of the day around 1 today in Philadelphia, canceled.
Frustrations felt by flyers across the Northeast today. The blizzard crippled travel at airports, and Logan Airport and TF Green are no exception. Airport operations finally resumed around 3 o'clock today, but many flights are not coming in or leaving.
Yeah, and there's also residual effects from airports across the country dealing with snow. So let's face it, it'll be a while before things get back on track. NBC 10's Brian Crandall is off the overpass today. And in a warm airport today where it's pretty much a ghost town, I bet, Bri.
You know what? I was surprised by the activity when we went in a little while ago, and I'm not inside in the warm part. I probably should be because it's cold out here. But as you mentioned, the ripple effects are going to be felt for some time. And while the runway here reopened a couple of hours ago, that doesn't necessarily guarantee that scheduled flights are going to take off or land. A parade of snow clearing equipment gets the runways at TF Green cleaned up after the blizzard grounded flights. But the return to complete normalcy will still have to wait. Inside the terminal, the departure and arrival boards are filled with cancellations and delays.
When did you find out it wasn't on until later today?
When we got in line to check our bags.
Ashley Steele showed up earlier, believing her afternoon breeze flight to Sarasota was still happening earlier today. But it's been delayed to 9 p.m., so they've been hanging around the airport.
Well, there's no restaurants open, so it was really hard for us to find food with kids and stuff, so I ended up door dashing.
Karen and Steve Murphy just got back to the airport from Chicago, but they didn't fly.
We drove the rental car because the flights are all canceled. It's the only way we could get home.
We thought, okay, let's just get in the car and drive. So we drove 1,000 miles.
They were supposed to fly back Sunday, but that got pushed to Thursday because of the blizzard. The Murphys have elderly family members back here at home and did not want to wait. After the snowy drive, which included a stay over in Albany because of the blizzard, they're now at the airport to pick up their car.
We saved 2 days by driving.
2 days, and it was about a wash. Cost-wise, it was about a wash.
All right.
So,
Was it a nice drive?
It was actually an adventure.
For her, it was an adventure. It was
For you, not so much.
It was a little hair. It was a lot of lake effect snow.
For others returning, whenever they return, this awaits their cars parked outside. But the sunshine gods have smiled on Terry Guldra and her family. Their evening flight to Orlando and a Disney vacation is only slightly behind schedule.
I was thinking it wasn't going to happen, and we kept checking and checking and checking. So we were out there digging ourselves out so we could get on the road and get here.
I'd certainly like to be on a flight to Florida right about now. As always, but particularly now, passengers are urged to check their flight status with their airline ahead of time, again, with a lot of cancellations and delays still happening. We're live at TF Green Airport in Warwick. Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.